Every time the doorbell rings, there's that 1 second of doubt. But with Cubo InstaView, that doubt disappears.
Mom, it's a delivery guy.
Ask him to leave it at the gate.
Uncle, please leave it at the gate.
She can check who is outside without ever opening the door. Hi, can you please leave the parcel at the gate? With two-way talk, I can respond instantly from my phone or the home tab wherever I am. Full HD wide-angle clarity, night vision when it's dark outside, instant alerts so I'm always informed, and AI person detection even if no one rings. It's simple enough for everyone at home even without a smartphone. And at the end of the day, I can see exactly who came and when. It's not just about answering the door, it's about feeling safe even when I'm busy, even when I'm away. Cubo InstaView, your front door made smarter.